To delete a template in Shopify, first log into your Shopify admin account and navigate to the online store section. Click on Actions and then Edit Code to access your theme files. In the Edit Code section, you will see a list of theme files and folders. Click on the Config folder and then click on the settings_schema JSON file to review your current template configurations. However, to delete a template, you should navigate to the Templates folder. In this folder, you will see a list of template files, each corresponding to a specific page or section of your store. Identify the template you want to delete and click on the three dots next to it. Click on Delete to remove the template from your store. Alternatively, if you want to delete a template that is currently in use, you will need to first change the template assigned to the page or section. To do this, navigate to the page or section that is using the template and click on the template suffix option. Select a different template from the drop-down menu and then click Save. Once the template is no longer in use, you can delete it by following the steps outlined above. It is essential to note that deleting a template will not delete the content associated with it, but it will remove the template configuration. Before deleting a template, ensure that you have backed up your store and theme files to avoid any data loss. Also, be cautious when deleting templates as this can affect the functionality and design of your store. If you are unsure about deleting a template, consider duplicating your theme and testing the deletion in the duplicate theme before applying it to your live store. By following these steps, you can safely delete a template in Shopify and maintain a well-organized and efficient online store.